Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to use YouTube audio library. First, to use that, need to come to the YouTube. After going to YouTube, you need to go to your icon first. Click on your icon. You have to go to your YouTube studio. Click on YouTube studio, and then you have to go to your dashboard. You will go to your dashboard, and then you have to scroll down a bit. On the left side you will see the option of audio library. You can click on that. After clicking on that, you can see some music here. They are having some different genres, different moods and artists and everything. So as you can see, you can download whichever you want. If you see the license type, you can read that you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including video that you monetize. No attribution is required. And it's the same case with the sound effects. You can also download whichever sound effects you want to, and there will be no copyright strike or something like that. Those are free to use audios, and as you can see, anyone can download it. Like I had downloaded it, and I can save it and use it in my video also. So like these, you can use this for your videos. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.